guys, a very happy morning to every one of you. And guys, from now on we are just going to start the general aptitude section. So general aptitude is quite interesting thing because a lot of exams the general aptitude is actually asking the most. In gate point of view, they are asking literally 15 marks. So around 30 to 15 marks they are asking. So general aptitude is the most important thing. So without wasting time, let us get started. Because until the end of the video, it means until the next upcoming lecture, it means the next upcoming subject, I will try to cover the entire geo, it means general aptitude. Okay, without wasting time, let us get started and welcome to my channel. My name is Rangako. Let us get started. So from the beginning, we are just going to see, it means a little bit of theory portion. So after the theory, it means I will just cover the aptitude questions. Okay, so guys, let us start. So the first thing is simple interest and as well as compound interest. So why the simple interest, compound interest so much important? Because I think so you would have known about a lot of money related problems, especially a lot of money related problems has been asking continuously. So simple interest, compound interest. So the first one is simple interest. So simple interest means just it means you can see for example 2% annum means, so the principal amount will be the same. Adding to the principal amount, we will, it means adding to the principal amount, the amount will be keep on increasing. You can see 100 rupees, if it is 2% interest means 102 rupees, and again 2%. So you can see for this 2% means it's around 2 rupees. So 2%, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, it keeps on adding. So okay, it means gives amount and directly per annum. Okay, that's it. But compound interest means principal even varies. Okay, for example rupees is 100 rupees, and for this 2% means 102 rupees, and for this 2%, and it will definitely be 2 rupees 0.02. So 104.02 something like that, and for this 2%. So for each and everything 2% will be adding means definitely the principal amount even is there here varies. Okay, I think so you're getting the point. So how we can calculate the simple interest for the principal, for this principal amount? You can see simple interest is principal into rate of interest into time period into divided by 100. So principal into rate of interest into time period divided by 100. So this is the calculation for the simple interest. Okay, I think so you're getting the point. So next one is compound interest. As in the compound interest, the principal keeps on varying. Okay, so what is the compound interest? Compound interest is means amount minus of principal. Okay, I think so you're getting the point. So how much extra amount we need to pay? Okay, that's it. Okay, for example you can see for the simple interest, principal is this one. For 5 years he is paying means he just need to pay extra 125 rupees. It means he should give 625 rupees per extra. So for compound interest you can see principal, it means principal, so for compound interest is equal to amount minus of the principal amount. It means I think you are getting the principal amount. So how much extra amount we are just paying, that we can calculate by compound interest. So how much the exact amount at the total end amount will be principal 1 plus of r divided by 100 of n. Okay, amount equal to principal 1 plus of r divided by 100 of n. Okay, I think so you are able to understand. So compound interest equal to amount minus of principal. So P 1 plus of r divided by 100 of n minus of principal. So what will come? P will come. So 1 plus of r divided by 100 the whole power n minus of 1. Okay, that's it. I think so you are able to understand. So that's it guys. See, that's it the formula. So suppose if they ask the rate of interest for half yearly means for the half year, for 6 months means you can see r divided by 2 and 2 times of n. So if they ask about quarter means r divided by 4, 4 of n. Okay, rate of interest it means r divided by 4 divided by into 4 of n. That's it. Okay, I think so you're getting the point. So you can see V0 is a, so this one is a normal thing. And for example if they ask a simple interest and compound interest for 1 year means simple interest compound interest will be same. So you can see it means for a simple interest for 1 year you can see principal into r into t divided by 100. So you can see simple interest what the extra amount we need to pay 25 rupees, and for the compound interest you can see the same exact amount of 20 rupees we need to pay extra. For 1 year if they ask in question means both simple and compound will be same. Okay, that's it. So we will just see now next problem. It means next thing, because after seeing a certain kind of 5 to 10 theories we can just go for the problem. So next is time, second chapter. So time, men and work. Okay, this is also one of the most important subjects. Okay, suppose if more men is there, suppose you can see if more men is placed in the work means we will just get more work, and more efficiency, more work, and more time means more work, and more wages also more work. So it means salary. So men's directly proportional to work, efficiency directly proportional to work, and earning directly proportional over days directly proportional over, and wages directly proportional over. So each and everything is proportional to work. Okay, so the basic formula, it means the chain rule for this basic formula is means E, it means E is our efficiency, and D is days, and H is hours, it means wages divided by work. So M2 E2 D2 H2 divided by W2. So if in the question they ask, oh guys, it's like a simple question, it means simple equation only. So whenever they just gave the work, put divided by, and remaining things put in the top, that's it, finished. So little examples alone we can just see. We can see if A takes 10 days to complete a work, means what is the 1 day work? 1 day equal to 1 divided by 10. Okay. If B takes 15 days work, means you can say 15 days. So what is the 1 day work? 15, 1 divided by 15. So what is the A plus B of 1 day work? So 1 divided by 100 plus 1 divided by 15. So you can see the both, if the work means 1 divided by 6 work they can do. For example, for 1 day they are just able to do 1 by 6 work, means, so what is the value of 1 work? It means work X. So simple. So what will come? 1, just simple, just make cross multiply, that's it. For example, 1, this one will come down, this one will go. So 1 day into 1 work divided by 1 by 6 of work equal to X. Okay, so work equal to, for completing of 1 work, 6 days he will take. Okay, that's it. So next one, A builds a house in 10 days and B builds a house in same 10 days, and C destroys the house. Okay, suppose C destroys means, it means while destroying comes means put negative. Put negative, you can see it means C destroys the house in 20 days means minus of 20, or 1 day work means 1 divided by minus of 20. That's it. Okay. So now here, from here, each and everything will be same. Okay, you can see A plus B plus C means 1 day work, means it means C around negative work, so minus. That's it. Okay. So we can just see the next theory. Wow, this is one of the most important topics, guys. Literally, this is the most important thing in my point of view. Okay, why? Because in this lot of questions has been asked. Okay, speed, time, and distance. Okay, first we will see the formula, and later on we can just go to the question. Okay, what is the speed? It means unit. Speed equal to meter per second. Okay, time equal to second. So distance equal to meter. So what is the speed formula? Speed equal to distance by time. Okay, so I think so we can speed equal to distance by time. So next, the remaining thing you can also see, or the distance equal to speed into time. Okay, that's it. So 1 hour means how much? 60 minutes. So 1 minute means 60 seconds. 1 hour means how much seconds? 3600 seconds. Okay, that's it. So I think so you can know about the each and every, the distance formula, each and everything for proportional, each and everything. So if the next thing is given, distance equal to what? Speed into time. Okay, if time is constant means d by t, d by s equal to constant. So d1 divided by s1 equal to d2 by s2. Okay, time constant. If speed is constant means d divided by t. Okay, d1 by t1 equal to d2 by t2. Okay, if speed is constant. Next, if distance is constant, what will come? S1 into t1 equal to s2 into t2. So mostly this is the most important. Distance they will just give constant, and now they will ask us to measure the each and every values. Okay, so you can see a little bit of extra problems. A car moves a distance of 90 km in 4 hours. So they are asking meter per second. That's it. So 1 kilometer equal to how much? Equal to 1000 meters. So 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. So multiply and we will get the answer. Okay, I think so. Getting about. So next thing, average speed. Average speed is one of the most important thing. Average speed equal to total distance by total time. Okay, total distance by total time. Okay, I think so you are getting the point. So average speed equal to total distance by total time. Okay, so these are the extra questions they have been asked. And next one is relative speed. Relative speed. Okay, so you can see in relative speed, if A travels 50 km per hour, B travels 80 km per hour. Okay, so what is the relative speed with respect to AB? V of A minus V of B equal to, you can see how much? Minus 30. So they are literally, it means B is traveling literally 30 kilometers. It means, for example, how we can just mention means A equal to 50, B equal to 80. So make here this side 80, this side 80, or this side 50, or this side 50. So now B travels 30 km faster. So then A travels minus 30 km means 30 km lesser. That's it. Okay, just a simple thing. So I also you can understand. Okay, so now we can just go for the next thing. Distance. Okay, related to distance. So okay, percentage, because percentage I'll just tell you later. So speed and time generally they will just give in each and every. And train crossing problem is also one of the most important thing that you have to just look upon. Boat and steam. Okay, it's average. Okay, now we can just see the average. So now we'll just see only on the 4 topics, and we can just see the problems. Okay, average. Average means what you can. So just add and divided by the total number of observations. So average equal to sum of observations divided by total number of observations. Okay, that's it. So for example, I think so you can see it means total. You can see 1 plus 2. So each and everything will just add divided by total number of n. That's it. Okay. So average is a easy thing, but as well as it's a complicated thing. Why? I'll just explain. Okay, now we can just see the problems. Data interpretation is one of the good interesting things, and distance and direction also interesting. Calculator, oh sorry, calendar. Wow. So in the general aptitude we are just really going to see lot of quite interesting things. Okay, so without wasting time, let us get started the problems. So first I will just explain the basic things. It means now we can just start the simple interest. Okay, so we can see a sum of money placed at simple interest doubles itself in 12 years. Okay, sum of money. Okay, it means so time period. So first one, what is the time period? Time period equal to 12 years. So or they are asking, so what is the simple formula? Principal into rate of interest into time period divided by 100. So you can see 100. Okay, so it means what is the principal? We don't know. Okay, a sum of money placed at simple interest doubles. Okay, then the principal itself, it means doubles. So what is the principal? Sum of, it means simple interest is how much, and the principal is how much. So you can see here, so the entire amount. So the amount is equal to 2 times of P. Okay, so amount equal to principal plus of simple interest. 2 times of P minus of P equal to simple interest. So simple interest equal to P. Okay, so you can see P equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So P cancel. So time period is R equal to 100 divided by 200. So what is the rate of interest? 8.30%. That's it. Okay. So next you can see a certain sum of money amounts to rupees 704. Okay, sum of money amounts to, okay, sum of money amounts to in 2 years, then amount equal to 704 rupees. Okay, in time period is 2 years, and next amount is rupees 800 in 5 years. Okay, rate of interest, okay, R is how much? So generally go with the simple interest method. So simple interest equal to principal into R into T divided by 100. Okay, so what will be the thing? So amount we just know, because amount equal to principal plus of simple interest. So principal plus of principal P I into R into T divided by 100. So we literally don't know what is principal, but we don't know, we know the amount. 704 equal to principal plus of principal into principal RT divided by 100. This is equation number 1. So next one is 800 equal to principal divided by 100. Okay, this is the equation number 2. So how we can just calculate the principal? Just equate this time to T1, this time to T2. So let's go by this. So let's take the p common. Okay, wait. So 704 equal to principal 1 plus of r into t1 is 2 years divided by 100. Okay, second one is 8004 principal 1 plus of r into 5 divided by 100. Okay, so you can see what is the principal for this one. Principal equal to this one 100 plus 2 times of r divided by 100. So 704 into 100 divided by 100 plus of 2 r times of r. Okay, so go and place here. So 800 equal to 704 into 100 divided by 100 plus 2 times of r. This one 100 plus 5 of r divided by 100. 100 gets cancelled. So 800 divided by 704 equal to 100 plus 5r divided by 100 plus of 2r. Okay, so I think so you are getting the point. So while we are just calculating what is the rate of interest, so rate of interest comes around so this one you just cancel and the rate of interest comes around 5%. So they are asking the rate of, find the rate percentage per annum. Okay, so 5%. So if they ask the principal means you just go and put there. Okay, because for the principal amount for the same thing is same. Okay, for the same amount is same. It means for the same equation, for this both equation the principal amount is same. So you can put here 704 equal to principal 100 plus 2 times of r is 5%, so 10 100. So 704 equal to p 110 divided by 100. Okay, so 704 into 10 divided by 11 equal to principal. Okay, calculate, we will get the answer. 7040 root of 11 is how much? 6666 44, and how much will come? 444. This 0 will go. Okay, principal is rupees 640. So next thing you can just go, you can see a certain sum of money. Okay, that question, a certain sum of money placed at SI triples it for triples. Okay, amount equal to 3 times of P in time is 8 years. How many years it will fit? So they are asking amount equal to 5 times of P, time equal to how much? So simple interest. So amount equal to principal plus of simple interest. So principal amount is the same. The same thing. Okay. So simple interest equal to principal into r into t divided by 100. So 3p minus of p is 2p equal to p r t divided by 100. So for this one 5p minus of p is 4p equal to p r t divided by 100. pp, so pp, so what is 2 into 100 divided by time period? Time period is 8 years equal to rate of interest. How much will come? 1 4 2 5 25%. Okay, then pp 4 into 100 divided by 25 equal to time period. So 1 4 time period equal to 16 years. Okay, 16 years. So okay, just put in next equation. Find the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Principal they are just given, they are asking the simple. Okay, so simple interest equal to principal rate into t divided by 100. So compound interest equal to the same thing guys, means for everything amount minus of principal, amount is amount equal to principal plus of simple interest, and as well as amount equal to principal plus of compound interest. So this is simple interest formula. Okay, what is the compound interest? Amount minus of principal. So what is the amount formula? Principal 1 plus of r divided by 100. Okay. Oh. This one here n is there. Okay. Time okay to here, so you can see for amount, you can see for amount we can like this. So equal to amount minus of principal is this one. Okay, amount minus of principal equal to P1 minus of principal. Okay, compound interest. Okay, P1 plus of r divided by 100 the whole power n minus of 1. Okay, difference between they are asking. Okay, so P is 2000 into rate of interest is 5% into time period is 2 divided by 100. So how much will come? 100, 200. Simple interest is 200 rupees, and this one 100 1 plus of 5 divided by 100 whole power of 2 minus of 1. So how much will come? 100 105 divided by 100 the whole square minus of 1. So 1.05 100 1.05 the whole square minus of 1. Okay, while you are just calculating, you can see here 205 rupees coming, so 5 rupees is the difference. So next thing you can see about this one, fifth question, two equal sums. Okay, fifth one solution, two equal sums. So rate of interest equal to 8%. So sin 31 equal to 2, t1 equal to 3. So the difference on the interest. So interest difference, then let us go SI. Simple interest 1 minus of simple interest 2 equal to rupees 56. So the sum they borrowed. So they are asking the principal amount. Okay. So P into R into T divided by 100 minus of P into R into T 100 equal to 56 rupees. So principal is common, so principal take it outside. So 8 into 2 divided by 100 minus of 8 into 3 divided by 100 equal to 56. P 16 minus of 24 divided by 100 equal to 56. Okay, P equal to 56 into 100 divided by 24, 8, 4, 50, 2, 25, 1, 2, 1, 8, 28, 0, 4, 14, 6, 1, 5, 6, 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, 700. So principal is 700. Yes, 700. Okay. Wow, such a beautiful question. So we can just go to the next question. A sum of money placed at compound interest. Okay, double settle. Okay, then amount equal to 2 times of principal, time period equal to 3 years. How many years it will become? Amount will become 8 times of P, time period. In the compound interest. So compound interest equal to amount minus of principal. So P 1 plus of R divided by 100 times of N minus of P. So amount is so time period is okay. 2 years. Okay. So amount is 2 times of P, means here 2 P will come, compound interest. So this is the compound interest in so next one is 8 times compound interest equal to then the compound interest will be same, okay, 8 times of E, but compound interest will just keep on changing. 8 times of P, 1 plus of R divided by 100 of N minus of P, okay. Amount equal to 2 times of P, 1 plus of R divided by 100. So amount equal to 2 times of P, okay, 2 times of P equal to P, 1 plus of R divided by 100 into N, okay. P gets cancelled to 1 plus R divided by 100 into N. So by this we can find the rate of interest. So this time period is 3 years. So rate of interest is how much? By one sector we can just calculate the rate of interest. And they are going in this way, okay. Wait, I'll just show you. So next one is ATM of P equal to P 1 plus of R divided by 100 of N, okay. So PP, so 8 equal to 1 plus of R divided by 100 into N. So this is 2 cube equal to 1 plus of R times of 100 of N, okay. So you can see it means about this one, if 1 by 3, 1 by 3, so you can see 2, 3, this one 1 plus of R divided by 100 of N, okay, that's it. This entire thing will be 2 times of 1 by 3, okay. Okay, so 2 times of 3 equal to 2 times of N divided by 3. So 3 equal to N divided by 3, N equal to 9, okay. We can either go by this or find the rate of interest, and you can go by this also. Such a good question. So the next question, so find the compound interest, okay. We're asking the compound interest. Seventh compound interest is how much? So on rupees, okay, they are given the principal is 1000 rupees, rate of interest is 20%. Time period is 30 months. Then 2 years, okay. Okay, wait. Okay, then when interest is compound half year per annum for 20 months, when the interest is compounded half yearly. So they are just given the keyword half yearly. So compound interest equal to amount between P 1 plus of R divided by 2 divided by 100 of N divided by 2 minus of principal. N will be 30, yes, N will be 30 months. So I think so you can understand. So compound interest equal to 1000, 1 plus of 20% divided by 2, 100, 30 divided by 2 minus of 1000, okay. So now we want to clap because we did a good mistake, okay. Why? Because you can see here what is given, 2 times of N, okay. What we just took N divided by 2, so 2 times of N, okay. 2 times of N and along with divided by 24, because we are just going with the monthly wise, okay. I think so it means here we need a year wise, okay, because N equal to 2 years, N equal to 5 years. So as it is given, I'll just rewrite the equation. 1000, 1 plus of R is how much? 20% divided by 2 divided by 100. N is how much? 30 into 2 divided by 24 minus of 1000, okay. While you just calculate, our answer will come directly, okay. So here each and every time we need to divide it by 12, okay. See, again we did a mistake. What about this 24? 2 years we are taking, only 12. 1 year equal to how much? 12 months. So next thing we can just see, okay, what is the rate of simple interest for first 4 years if the sum of okay. What is the rate of simple interest? So amount minus of principal equal to simple interest, or amount equal to simple interest plus of p. Simple interest formula is p into r into t divided by 100. So you can see if the sum 4 years and 12 years, if 4 years the sum becomes 360, and if in 9 years means it becomes 540. So 4 plus of 5 is how much? 9. So this 5 years. So r is asking, okay. So each and every time the r is same, okay. So principal is common, okay. Yes, certainly principal is common. So one thing is just minus, okay, that's it. If 1 minus of 2, okay, amount is different. Amount minus of amount equal to amount 1 minus of amount 2 equal to simple interest 1 minus of simple interest 2, p1 p2. So this one principal gets cancelled, and amount is 540 minus of 360 equal to principal p into r into t divided by 100 minus of p into r into t divided by 100. So this one 9 years, this one 4 years. So what is the principal? By this we can calculate the principal, I think so, okay. 540 minus of 360 into principal p, r is 6 into 4 divided by 100 minus of 6 into 9 divided by 100. So by this principal we are calculating okay. Let us calculate the first principal amount. Let us try, okay. This is 540 360 0 8 1 180 into 100 divided by, so 1654 minus of 24 equal to 3 0 3. So 180 into 100 divided by 30 160. So principal equal to 600 rupees, okay. Guys, let us write like this. My answer may be correct, may be wrong also. Let us give a try. So 600 into rate of interest, hmm. 600 amount minus of principal, okay. Amount is how much? Time period is 4 divided by 100. You can see here principal is 600, but you can see amount is 360 and 540 means it's totally mismatching. Then our answer is wrong, okay. That's why I just told my answer may be correct, may be wrong, okay. So you can see the difference. So by the difference you can just see clearly it means my answer is wrong, okay. Then what is the rate of simple interest for the first 4 years? they are adding. Principal, how it becomes 360, I literally don't know. Okay, because you can see what is the rate of simple interest for the first 4 years. If the sum of 360 rupees becomes 540, it means you can see first 4 years it is 360 is simple interest only will come. Okay, and the next simple interest will just be wait, I'm a little bit confused about this question. I'll just look upon it and just do it better. So you can just go to the next thing. So you can see what is the rate of interest. A simple interest will be double. Okay, so what is the means rate? So R they are asking, R is how much per annum with simple interest will any money doubles. Okay, so amount equal to 2 times of P. Okay, simple interest equal to amount minus of P is amount is 2 times of P minus of P equal to P. So P into R into T divided by 100 equal to P gets cancelled. So R into time period is 12.5 equal to 100. R equal to 100 will be 12.5, 8%. Okay. So next question. How long will it take for a sum of money to grow from so R is 12%, 12.5, time is how much? So simple interest, so amount minus of principal. So P into R into T divided by 100 equal to time, amount is 12,000 minus of 1,600. So so you can see while they are asking like this, from sum of money to grow from 1,600 to 1,200 means this is considered as principal, this is considered as amount. Okay, the same time suppose here. Okay, then this is the principal, this is the amount. Okay, so principal is 360, so 540 minus of 360 equal to simple interest. Okay, while calculating we will just definitely get the time period. Okay, the next thing you can just see, if a sum of money of simple interest becomes 36 times in a 100 years old, so amount equal to 36 of P, so time is 100 years old. So then it will become 29 times, amount equal to 29 times of P, time equal to how much? Definitely less than 100. Okay, simple interest equal to amount minus of principal equal to so 35P. Okay, P into R into T divided by 100. So P cancel, by this rate of interest we can calculate, and P into R into T equal to this one 28 will be by 100. So P gets cancelled, rate of interest put here, time period you can just calculate. Okay, so 35P each and everything. Okay, so next one, compound interest. Okay, compound interest is retained on certain rate of 2 years at 10%. Okay, compound interest is charged. Okay, so time period is 2 years, rate of interest is 10%, the amount so amount equal to 605. So principal equal to how much? So simple thing, compound interest principal 1 plus of R divided by 100 of n minus of principal. So this entire thing is how much? 650. 605 equal to principal 1 plus of R is 10 divided by 100 of 2 years. So I guess I can calculate the principal by this. Next thing, difference between CI, okay, difference between compound interest and simple interest on certain sum of money is okay, rupees 72. And date, okay, find the amount. So what will be the thing? Principal 1 plus of r divided by 100 of n minus of p, minus of p or t divided by 100 equal to rupees 72. So p we can just take it common. So principal whether they have just given, find the amount. Okay, by this we can calculate the principal. So principal 1 plus of r divided by 100 of n minus of 1 minus of rt divided by 100, 72. 1 plus of r is 2, 12 divided by 100 of 2 minus of 1 minus of rate of interest is 12 into 2 divided by 100, 72. So based upon this we can just calculate the principal. So you can see this one. So principal is 5000 rupees. Find the amount. They are asking the amount only. Why they are literally this guys from the principal? Okay, principal. So if we need the amount means we have to just go and find the amount. Okay, what is amount? So simple. It means go and put the principal here. It means here. So amount equal to principal 5000. 1 plus of r is 12, 100. So n is 2. Okay, find the amount. That's it. Amount is finished. I think so you're able to catch the point. You can just see the average. So guys, I think so we can yes, before starting this average method we need to just complete especially the time distance problem. So okay, I'll just see you in the next video because little time is so much up. So let me see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.